General Anil Chauhan becomes next CDs, Lieutenant. Key facts. The central government appointed the former Eastern Army Commander Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan, retired, as the new Chief of Defence Staff, CDs. The post of Chief of Defence Staff was vacant for over 9 months, since the death of the first CDs. General Bipin Rawat lost his life in a helicopter crash in December 2021. General Anil Chauhan has over 40 years. He was involved in counter-insurgency operations in Jammu, Kashmir, northeast India. Lieutenant General Chauhan was an alumnus of the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. He served as part of the 11th Gorkha Rifles of the Indian Army. In the rank of Major General, he commanded the infantry division in Baramulla sector in Jammu and Kashmir. When he became Lieutenant General, he commanded a corps in the northeast, and later went on to become the Eastern Army Commander in September 2019. September 29, 2022, published. He headed the Eastern Army Command until his retirement on May 31, 2021. After his retirement, he became the military advisor in the National Security Council Secretariat, NSCS, in October 2021. Apart from holding commanding posts, he also served as the Director General of Military Operations. About CDs. The post of Chief of Defence Staff, CDs, was created in December 2019. The CDs would act as the principal military advisor to the Defence Minister and the permanent chairman of Chiefs of Staff Committee, COSC. He is the ex officio secretary of the Department of Military Affairs, DMA, which was created as the 5th department of the Ministry of Defence. The age limit for the CDs is 65 years of age without any fixed tenure. Current Affairs, September 2022, month. Awards, Persons and Places in News, Defense. Current Affairs, Persons in News, category. Chief of Defence Staff, CDs, General Bipin Rawat, Department